Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit text in Canva. First, open your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in canva.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, select an existing design from your project or create a new one by clicking on create a design. And choose a template, or you can also create a custom size from here. Now click on the text box you want to edit. If the text box isn't already there, you can add one by clicking on the text tab on the left sidebar and selecting one of the text options from here. Now change the text content. Once the text box is selected, simply start typing to change the text. To change the font style, size or color, use the option on the toolbar above the Canva. Here you can choose different font, adjust the font size and change the text color. You can change the font from here. Simply select it, and you can also increase the font size by clicking on the plus sign here or minus sign to decrease it. You can make the text bold, italic or underlined. There are also many effects here. To move or resize the text box, you can click and drag the text box to reposition it on your canvas. Use the corner or edge of the text box to resize it. Once you are happy with your edits, remember to save a design. Canva automatically save your work, but you can also download it by clicking on Share button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Download button and download it once again. Make sure to choose a correct file type from here. So that is how you can edit your text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.